This is Windows 10, Microsoft's latest and greatest. It is a successor to Windows 8 and 8.1, but how does it stack up? Windows 8 was not received with a smile on users' face, but rather disappointed them. With Windows 10, Microsoft is trying to win back the users who have been disappointed with Windows 8 and bringing back, and in a lot of ways improving a lot of features from previous versions of Windows such as Windows 7. The first big feature is the return of the Start menu. Instead of having an entirely separate interface when you hit the Windows key, now it's a smaller menu that still includes the universal search and the useful life tiles. One of the biggest things that jumps out to me is just how fast it is. Start to type the name of an app and it immediately pops up, but you can also do a search online just as easily. A big reason for this is the addition of Cortana. Like on Windows Phone and soon to be on iOS and Android, Cortana works a lot like Google Now. You can search using voice and the results are pretty impressive. Bing can't quite match the natural language searches of Google, but it's totally usable. Being able to set reminders and keep track of your flights and calendar is nice on your phone and is just as useful on your PC. Windows 10 has also gotten a fresh coat of paint. It's a clean look without going all in on Metro, which looked nice on a phone or tablet but could be awkward on a PC. Microsoft really did give the desktop some love this time around. Snap has been one of my favorite features on Windows since Windows 7, and it now gives you the option of automatically adding other windows to the side of the screen. We've also got Task View, which gives you multiple desktops. This has been one of the most useful features on Mac for a long time now, and it's an awesome addition to Windows 10. Many of the built-in apps have also been updated. The Windows Store has apps, games, music, and video all in one place. Unlike before, you'll be able to use apps as a normal window instead of being forced to go full screen, which makes a lot more sense. Microsoft has finally retired Internet Explorer in favor of the new Edge browser. It's rocking a new, much nicer design, and like most of Windows 10, it's really fast. You can still use Internet Explorer if you need it, but the days of immediately installing a new browser like Google Chrome might just be over. Overall, in a sentence, Windows 10 is what Windows 8 should have been. It brings in awesome new features that are helpful to everyday users and also power users. The OS is incredibly snappy and very smooth in operation. It has a nice and minimalistic design and a great browser to go with this package. Windows 10 is the kind of upgrade Windows users have been waiting for. Being the fact that it is a free upgrade for the first year to Windows 7 and Windows 8.1 and 8 users, I don't see why you could go wrong with this. We can safely say that Windows is awesome again.